Welcome to SkyWarriors, where we take you beyond the clouds and into the future of air dominance. Today, we reveal a ghost in the sky, a weapon so advanced that even its shadow is classified. This is America's most secret jet, the NGAD, or Next Generation Air Dominance Fighter, the aircraft built to replace the legendary F-22 Raptor and define the next era of air combat born from years of classified innovation. The NGAD isn't just a fighter, it's a sixth-generation stealth system capable of commanding the air, the battlefield, and even fleets of autonomous drones. The US Air Force calls it a system of systems. That means the NGAD doesn't fly alone. It leads a formation of high-powered loyal wingmen drones that scout, jam, and strike in perfect coordination. Controlled by a single digital brain, details remain secret, but analysts believe the NGAD features adaptive cycle engines, delivering incredible range and thrust while staying stealthy. Its radar-absorbing skin and advanced cooling system make it nearly invisible to both radar and infrared sensors. With these innovations, the NGAD can fly longer, faster, and quieter than any aircraft ever built inside, or perhaps without a cockpit at all. The NGAD can operate both manned and unmanned. Its on-mission computer predicts enemy moves in real time, giving pilots or the system itself an unmatched edge in combat. It's not just reacting to threats, it's anticipating them. Armed with directed energy weapons, hypersonic missiles, and cutting-edge electronic warfare systems, the NGAD is designed to strike before being seen. Its radar signature is rumored to be smaller than a golf ball, making it nearly impossible to detect. Built to counter China's J-20 and Russia's Su-57, it represents America's leap into a new generation of warfare. Each jet may cost over $300 million, but what it delivers is beyond measure total air dominance. In simulations, the NGAD has outperformed every fighter on Earth, combining stealth, speed, intelligence, and adaptability into one unstoppable platform. It's also part of the Air Force's new Digital Century series, where aircraft are designed and tested virtually before a single bolt is built. This digital engineering revolution means faster production, smarter design, and near-perfect performance right from the start. Imagine a sky ruled not by numbers, but by intelligence, invisible machines flying at hypersonic speeds, connected through eye and armed with futuristic weapons. The NGAD is not just a jet, it's a glimpse into the future of global air power. As testing moves forward, one thing is certain: the skies of tomorrow will belong to those who master stealth, speed, and artificial intelligence. The NGAD stands ready, unseen, unstoppable, and unmatched. This is SkyWarriors, where the future of warfare takes flight. Subscribe now for more deep dives into the world's most advanced military technology, where innovation meets power and the sky belongs to the bold.